What is up, guys? It is your boy E, and today's video is sponsored by One Bone. And I got a lot going on right now. I got ravioli right over here. I got Bob right over here. And guys, I got Rob. That's right, I got Rob. Bob has some competition. This one's for the Silver Squad. Rob, do your thing. Do your thing, bro. All right, guys, and we are back. And like I said, today's video is sponsored by One Bone. Own your fit. And I am here with the whole squadron today. And this video today is for my Silver Squad. So my Golden Warriors, stand down. My Moissanite Marauders, stand down. Today we have Miami Lynx and we have some 999 pure goodness. That is right, guys. I went out and ordered myself an 18 millimeter 34 inch 999 pure silver Miami Cuban with my logo engraved. And guys, this thing is so big, I had to put it in this shiny blue box right here.
Very impressive.
I had no choice because it did not fit in the box, because this thing is a freaking behemoth. So now let's get to the fact of why is E wearing sunglasses in the middle of the day? What am I, Neo from the Matrix? I am not Neo. If I was Neo, I'd be a pretty big Neo. But I am wearing sunglasses right now because I am about to give you guys a POV along with me, and we are going to take a look together at this monstrosity. So this is called Big ETV POV from my Silver Squad. So Silver Squad, stand up, and we are about to go into the metaverse and we are about to check this chain out. So this is, guys, this is a first on the channel. This is my first actual live unboxing. Well, kind of live unboxing, but this is my first POV unboxing. And speaking of P, I think Ravioli's kind of telling me that he might need to do that. So I am going to put him down. Say goodbye to everyone, Ravioli, here. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. And here we go, guys. And you guys are actually seeing this chain the same way that I am seeing this chain right now. And I am looking at this. I'm not going to lie, guys. It's not the first time. It is the second time that I am looking at this chain, because I have not worn this yet or anything like this. But look at this beautiful behemoth right here. I mean, look at this thing. I mean, this is crazy. And check out my logo right here. The biggie. I don't know if the future glasses are getting this properly over here. It might be a little smudged up, so that's my bad, guys. But this thing is absolutely crazy. I mean, this is crazy right here. Not to mention, this thing is heavy, guys. I think this thing is almost 650 grams. And guys, I've had Miami Lynx on the channel a few times now. And let me tell you guys, I mean, look at this thing. It looks like it is rhodium plated, and it is not. It's not. In that first review I did of the 8mm and the 10mm Handmade, I thought their 999s were rhodium plated, but the quality is so good. The silver is so nice. And guys, look at these links. Look at this clasp right here. I mean, look at this. Look at the tension right here. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this lock right here. Hold on. Let's get that open. Look at that. Listen to this. Bang, bang, and bang. I mean, guys, this thing is not going anywhere. Well, with that being said, guys, I think we're running out of POV time, and we are going to have a word from our sponsor. So I will be right back. One Bone has been rocking with me. I just recently announced that I am part of the One Bone family. All my shirts I rock. This shirt right here, One Bone, is where I rock all of my stuff, all of my gear, every shirt that you see me wear. When you guys see me about to put this beautiful Miami Cuban on my neck, it is going to go on this black One Bone shirt made from pure quality. Guys, there will be a link in the description to my personal page of One Bone, and use code BIGE15 to get 15% off your entire purchase. Now let's get back to the video and keep taking a look at this beautiful chain from Miami Lynx. Now look at this thing, guys. I mean, this is absolutely amazing right here. Super, super tight links. I mean, guys, I've seen a lot of Cubans in my day, and this thing is just constructed absolutely beautifully. And guys, listen, right now at the time of me making this video, silver is at an all-time high. It is going through the roof. Gold is also at an all-time high. I think at the time of me making this video, we are about to hit, if I'm incorrect here, I'm sorry, but I think we're approaching $3,900 an ounce, which is kind of crazy. I remember when gold was in the low 2000s. That's how long I've been around. Even lower than that, maybe barely breaking 2000. Now we're almost up at 4,000.
Sensational. That's the word you're looking for.
Pure 999 piece like this comes in, I think, at about 650 grams. We're going to weigh it on Big Bertha in a second so you guys can see the weight on it. But silver is an amazing investment. And a company like Miami Lynx that makes these beautiful, beautiful handmade 999 pieces, guys, now is the time to shop, because silver, it's going to keep shooting up and you guys can still get it when it is super affordable. Miami Lynx has, here we go again, guys. Ravioli, he got a taco now, guys. He has a taco. D, don't cut this. Now I have a taco over here. I'm depriving him today. So I got a taco and a hot dog. Major pause. You guys can take that for what you want. Miami Lynx, they have these beautiful handmade 999s. They have from size 8mm all the way up. I think 18mm was just launched on the website. Bracelets are coming soon, and guys, this is a time to invest, and Miami Lynx is just a super quality company. They are great all the way around. Customer service, shipping times, just how the owners communicate with you, and guys, obviously the quality in the product. I mean, guys, this 999 Cuban right here is absolutely amazing. The work they even did on the engraving on my logo, guys, I don't have an easy logo to kind of put up there, and this thing looks absolutely fire. It looks absolutely fire, and this chain, guys, is just so gorgeous. I cannot say it enough. And also, back to the investing tip, guys, you want to put your money in precious metals right now. They are going up. A lot of people just got priced out of gold. That's cool. Personally, my favorite metal is silver. I am a full, tried and true silver surfer, one of the leaders of the silver squad. And at the end of the day, silver is a smart investment. So guys, let's get back to the chain now. Let's measure it and see what this behemoth comes out at. So guys, I told you initially that we were looking at an 18mm. So let's see if that holds true. As you guys can see, we're zeroed out over here. So let's get our first measurement. And we are at 17.63 right here. And let's get one more, 17.54. And let's get one more up here, 17.89. And let's just get one more over here for good measure, 17.42. So we're sitting a little under. We're between like a 17.5 and a 17.8. But guys, when you get a handmade piece like this, there's always going to be a little bit of variation. At the end of the day, 0.2 of a millimeter, it doesn't matter. I mean, it might matter to her, but it doesn't matter to me.
My nigga.
So yeah, guys, this thing is just incredible, and I wish you guys were here and you could feel the weight on this thing, because it is crazy. So Rob, buddy, you're my new friend. Sorry, Bob, but we're reviewing silver today. Rob, I'm gonna have to move you to the side. Let us turn on Big Bertha for you guys so we can get a weight on this. 642.92. 642.92, guys. I mean, that is an absolute monster right there.
God damn.
Absolute monster. But you guys know me. I like it big. Whoa, major pause. Major pause.
I said, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. First of all, you're not going to speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
But I like my chains big. I like rocking those statement pieces. I try to always show you guys statement pieces, and this is something that I'm going to be proudly adding in my collection. But now there is nothing left to do but to get this behemoth around neck. Do not use me as an example, guys. This is an 18 millimeter 34-inch chain, and it looks normal. It kind of looks even a little bit long for me, but definitely if you guys are going to get an 18 millimeter, which I think is an excellent choice to buy from Miami Links, definitely, you know, if you're a normal size person, you're going to want to get a 22, maybe a 24. If you get a bigger chain, the rule of thumb is that you always want to size up in length because of that bigger circumference. Pause. Because of that bigger circumference, you want to get a bigger length because the width of the chain, it's going to shorten the chain up. So if you're normally a 22, you're going to want to get a 24 and vice versa. For me, I just like rocking a long chain. I always rock long chains. I like the OG style. You know, listen, I can put on a 24, guys. It doesn't look that crazy on me. I know I joke around about it all the time. It doesn't look super nuts or anything like that, but this is just my steez. This is how I like rocking it. Miami Links is a company that I am really enjoying working with. They make some really high quality stuff. I have some really nice pieces coming up to show you guys from Miami Links. And this chain, like I said before, is something I am going to proudly add to my collection. So with that, guys, I think we have covered everything, including a POV from Big E. So there's nothing left to do but to rate it. And guys, today, this is the first day of Big E's new rating system. And guys, there are 10 categories, and these categories are what's going to break down these ratings for you. And moving forward from this video on, you guys are going to see how I personally score out every single category. With that being said, guys, this is my score. So congratulations, Miami Links. You are definitely dope. And guys, at the end of the year, we're going to tally all these scores up, and I am going to be giving out awards for best chains in each category, best pendants in each category, and all that stuff. So you guys can look back on this kind of like a catalog. When you have questions or when you're thinking about buying something, you can see how I scored it out and what went into it, the quality, the craftsmanship, the clasp, the shipping time, the flex factor. And guys, you know, flex factor is one of the categories, and this chain definitely has some flex to it. I wouldn't say it's a 10, because if I'm going to give out a 10 on a flex factor, that's going to be diamonds and crazy, you know, moissanite, you know, just something that's shining and blinging where everyone's breaking their necks. But guys, this is no joke. This is definitely for a silver Miami Cuban. This thing is no joke, and I would suggest if you guys are in the market, definitely go out to Miami Links and get you something. Like I said, they have sizes between 8 millimeter all the way up to 18. So with that, guys, this has been your boy Big E. Please do not forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. It helps me out immensely. Leave comments down below. I'm a jewelry nerd, guys. I love talking shop with you guys. So leave comments. Let me know what you think about the chain. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if there's something you would change about it. Let me just know if you're like, yo, E, listen, where do I get that? And I'll let you guys know. I always love helping people out. And guys, lastly, I'll leave you with this. Memberships are going to be coming to the channel soon. Merch is going to be coming to the channel soon. You guys forget, I'm only about 8.5 months into this thing. So I appreciate all of you into the community. We are going to grow this. There's going to be a lot of fun stuff to come, and I am excited to share it with you all. So with that, this has been the review of the 18 millimeter 34-inch Miami Links Handmade 999 Cuban chain. This has been your boy Big E, and I am out. Peace.